Welcome to another YouTube video, everyone. It's that time of year. You should expect about this time of year, you will see the dress that I am creating myself for my birthday this year. So, as things happen, 2021 completely got away from me. I have had no time. I was hoping it would be a better, easier year than 2020, and it has been, but only by like this much. It's been a really busy, really stressful year, and my life is still complete fucking chaos. So I have not had the time to work on it that I would like, unfortunately. So we're starting late. We're getting a late start on it, which is not good, but you know, we're going to make it happen. And this year I'm doing something kind of different. I know that some of you out there probably are typo negative fans like myself, and I have decided to theme my birthday dress this year around some of the lyrics from Black Number One by Typo Negative, where he says, "Little wolfskin boots and clove cigarettes, an erotic funeral for which she's dressed." And I came up with this idea, like, what would erotic funeral wear look like? What would it look like? And I know you got your Merry Widow, like black lingerie and that kind of bullshit, but that's not me. So I thought to myself, what if I made myself a proper Victorian lady's dress, like high neck, big bishop sleeves, the whole business, but completely sheer. And then underneath it, I made like 1950s inspired, like high-waisted panties, long line bra, like fetish wear, but really heavily hardwared, like shit tons of D-rings and all that kind of stuff. So that's kind of the basic overview of it. I did a bad drawing that I'm about to show you, but I want to say before I start this, I get a lot of people saying to me when I showcase these big things that I make, like I get a lot of comments. I read all the comments. I can't respond to all of them all the time, but I do read them all, that say things like, "I wish I could wear something like that, but like, you know, if I was younger, if I was thinner, if I was whatever, a different body shape, if I was all these things." And I'm here to tell you, none of those things matter. Just fucking go for it. Just go for it. Just do it. Every year when I make my birthday dress, I do something that's stepping outside of my comfort zone. So 2018, it was the fact that I am uncomfortable going braless. So I made a dress where I physically had to go braless to make myself get over it. You know, 2020, white. I am not usually a wearer of colors other than black, and that made me feel a little bit weird, but like, you know, I do these things to step outside my comfort zone and to challenge myself, and mission accomplished. You know, so it's not a matter of what you can wear based on your body type or your age or your figure or your height or any of those things. You should fucking wear what makes you happy. Who gives a shit? And people say, well, like, what if somebody like says something to me about it? It's not if, it's when, unfortunately. We know, us weirdos, we know that eventually, sooner or later, some idiot is going to yell a thing out of a car window at you. You know, some Karen is going to say something to you, like while you're walking around in public. It's not if, it's when. But here's what you need to remember. What other people think of you is not your fucking problem. Okay? It's not your fucking problem. So, you know, when they say mean shit like that to you, what their fucking problem is that they cannot pin down exactly who you are. Are you a man? Are you a woman? Why do you look like this? Like all the things that are in their brain that they can't articulate, it just pisses them off. So it makes them yell things out of the car window at you like freak or whatever it is. But just because they can't pin down who you are, that is not your fucking problem. You know who knows who you are? You do. And that's what fucking matters. So put on the goddamn dress you've been scared to wear. Go out in public and buy groceries or whatever it is that you have to do. Just do the thing. Don't fucking worry about what other people think about you. Just do it. This is my life advice to you this year for, you know, my birthday dress. So now I'm going to show you my horrible concept drawing for this and all the supplies. Let's go. I hope you like it. All right, so here's the drawing that I did this year. Yes, I know I can't draw worth shit. I say it every year, so we're not going to be that worried about it. But anyway, this is a completely sheer Victorian dress. So I want to make myself a proper Victorian lady's dress. Bishop sleeves here, a million little buttons, all the ruffles and everything. And then underneath it, make some like really heavy gauge 1950s fetish lingerie. So this is going to be stretch satin. Here, stretch satin. And then these, I know that looks like lace. Those are actually all D-rings. D-rings, D-rings, D-ring straps, 8,000 garters, got a zipper here with like a D-ring in it, whatever. So, and these are thigh-high boots. Gonna put some thigh-high boots underneath. Those aren't quite finished yet. I don't actually know what I'm gonna decorate those with, but anyway, it's gonna be great. And then this is, I'm making us our own Victorian morning jewelry. So I'm gonna get a pocket watch, gut it, use the case, and put clippings of Brody's hair around here with like some beads and jewels and skulls and stuff. And then that's gonna be a picture of Brody that I'm going to get Jessica to edit up to make it like old-fashioned tin type looking, and we're going to put it in the pocket watch, and I'll be able to wear that as my very own morning jewelry. So let me show you the actual supplies for this crazy beast. All right, so here is the table full of supplies for things that I have to make my birthday dress. We're back to black this year. White last year, obviously, because it was the fucking apocalypse. We're doing black again. So I've got my box of bra making stuff to make myself the bra here in the drawing, my 50s fetish bra that I just told you about. I hate my life when I'm making bras, so I don't know why I decided to do that, but I have, so whatever. Here's the pocket watch I'm going to gut to make the morning necklace. That'll be a lot of fun. It's heavy right now, but it'll be less heavy once I take all the inside bits out of it. This is some beautiful cathedral lace. Look at this stuff. Oh my goodness. Love it so much. Going to use that on my dress. And also this one, which is its sister lace, which is just a little bit shorter. So I've got those two laces. Going to use on my dress. I've got 135 D-rings, which is not enough. That is not enough D-rings, but that's all the store had. So we're going to start with that and see if we can get some more. I've got 4 enormous D-rings in case I decide I want them. I don't know if I will yet. A bag full of tiny little black wedding style buttons, which I'm going to hate my fucking life when I sew all those on. But anyways, whatever. Got some garters. I actually have to go buy some more of these. I just realized I don't have enough, but I'm going to go buy some more. These are garter clips for my stockings. Got 2 metal zippers in case I decide I need them. This is the fabric for the main body of the dress. I know it looks not sheer right now, but I promise you it is. Let me stick my hand in here. It's a beautiful, there we go. It's a beautiful sheer black stretch mesh, which I'm very excited. I've never seen a proper Victorian ladies dress made out of sheer mesh, but I'm gonna make that happen. So we've got some gusset for lining, some cotton rather, for making the gusset lining on the panties. And then this is a beautiful stretch satin that I'm gonna make the bra and the panties out of. So that's gonna be the underneath. That's going to be the main dress. And I have these secondhand boots that I picked up off of a gentleman who was selling them on a secondhand site. They are thigh-high boots, and they are enormous because I have enormous feet. So they are big, long, black, suede-ish thigh-highs, which are way too big on my legs, so I have to fucking figure out how to take those in. And then I'm going to decorate them. I don't know how yet. So yeah, there's the basic rundown of the fabrics. Time to get sewing. I think I'll make the dress first. All right, you guys, the first thing is down. I've got the dress done, which is hanging here behind me and looks kind of like a pile of garbage, but I'll show it to you on the mannequin in just a second. I gotta tell you, this is the face of someone who is stress sewing. Like, I don't even have any fucking eyelashes on. I just, like, am sewing my ass off. It is September. You know, normally when I start filming this video for you guys, it's like May or June, and I just slowly work my way through the summer doing little projects for this, but, like, 2021 has been a shit show, and I've had zero time, like less than zero fucking time. So it is September, and I'm staying till like at least 10 p.m. every night sewing this stupid motherfucker after I'm done the work I need to do for everybody else. And we're gonna get there. Hell or high water, we're gonna get there. So let me put this on the mannequin and show you the first thing, and then we're on to the second thing. Oh my god. Okay, so here it is on the mannequin. Please forgive all of the crazy shit in the background. These are my to-do racks, and there's obviously construction going on, so you'll have to forgive that. But you can't really tell. I've got my mannequin jacked up to her tallest setting, and she's not nearly as tall as I am. So you're not getting the proper effect of this. But anyways, so completely sheer bodice, which I will have more interesting things to display underneath in a minute. We've got some beautiful bishop sleeves, which I sewed all these little buttons on. Got some lace detail at the ends of the sleeves. This is the skirt, which has a shitload of gathering in it. And then this is the beautiful, look at how beautiful this lace is, you guys, for the bottom. Isn't that nice? 3 ruffles of lace, which are currently pooling all over the ground because, like I said, she's not as tall as I am. But let me just show you the back. It's very similar. It's very similar. It just has the seams down the back. And then, I'm sorry, this is so backlit. Has the little wedding buttons at the back of the neck as well. So you'll get to see this on me at the end, I promise. Now on to the next thing. Let's go. And we're back. Do you know what this is? This is the face of someone who's fucking panic sewing. Like, panic sewing. Honest to God, I've been coming into work at like just after 7 in the morning, between like 7 and 7:30 I've been getting here. And we haven't been leaving till like 9:30 or 10 o'clock at night because I have to do all of my customer sewing orders and then work on shit for myself. So it has been some long fucking days and I am running out of time very quickly, but we're getting it done. We're getting it done. Hell or high water, we're going to get this done. So I finished the bra top. It's more like a bra, but I added some D-rings and shit to it because that's what I do. But it looks really great. I don't often construct my own bras like from scratch, but me and my friend Miss Mary Morning, who has been featured in some of my other videos, had a day where we sat down and we made a bra out of fucking stretch satin, and it looks great. Let me show you. Ta-da! Bra top. Doesn't it look cute? So I actually made, I don't even know if you can see this, how well you can see this, but I actually made like a proper fucking bra with like underwire and everything. This is like a real bra, but I extended the bottom because I wanted like a long line look, and I put these clips on it, and then I sewed a whole bunch of D-rings and a zipper. That's a collar. It does up in the back with a little hook and eye there. So that's the collar for it. And I've got adjustable bra straps and everything. It's been a long time since I made a bra, so that was actually kind of a lot of fun, even though it's stressful as fuck that I'm running out of time. So let's do the matching panties, shall we? Let's go. All right, welcome back to my stress face in different lingerie, because that's what I'm doing. I'm just hanging out in my fucking underwear and stress sewing for like many, many hours a day. Anyway, the panties are done. Thank God for that. I put them with the bra so you can see them both together. They're heavy motherfuckers. My God, there's over 100 D-rings on these panties. So like, get ready for this. Thank God they're nice and tight to hold themselves up, because we don't want our panties falling off in the cemetery. That's a whole different video for, you know, another website, which I definitely do not have and will never get, but good for those who do. So let me show you that. Ta-da! Look at these crazy motherfuckers. So there's the bra top, which I already showed you. And it connects, see, these little connectors, they connect to these tiny D-rings here to make sure that they, you know, stay up. That's some extra support for them. Got a big ass D-ring right on the crotch because I can, because why not? Got this beautiful, delicate panty elastic on them, and then a metric fuck ton of D-rings. These are awesome. I'm really excited about these. They're like cool D-ring bondage straps. Got 12 garters, 6 on each side. And this is a look all in itself, I'm not gonna lie. I might have to model that separately for you guys at the end, we'll see. And I also completed this mask. Isn't this beautiful? So that's the mask. I was hoping I wouldn't have to wear a mask for my fucking party this year, but here we are. Thanks, anti-vaxxers. Anyway, so we've got beige cotton underneath, and then I did sheer mesh on top, and then I actually sewed this lace on. This is the matching lace to the dress I made, and then a bunch of D-rings. Why not? So there you have it. The complete look with the dress hanging over there. I was gonna do boots, but I ran into a problem. Let me tell you about that. All right, so we're back to my drawing here. So you'll see bra complete, dress complete, panties complete, clips complete, garters complete. I drew fishnets and thigh-high boots, and I showed you the boots at the beginning of the video. But what I discovered is that the dress, because it has so much gathering in here, you can't actually see the boots. It just makes my legs look black, which is not great. So I think I'm just gonna scrap the boots and wear like a shorter version of the boot, and then this will all be fishnet legs so that you can see that the dress is see-through a little more, because it's not as see-through as I would like it to be. So unfortunately, plans have changed. We're scrapping the boots, but that's okay. Less work for me. And now I just have to do this beautiful pocket watch. This pocket watch cameo with Brody in it. That's the last thing, so let's get to it! Okay, so mine is almost done. Doesn't this look great? This is focus camera, goddammit, there we go. That's a bunch of Brody's hair braided with a Victorian glass button and a rosary piece and a bunch of other stuff. And then this, so I just have to put this case on it, so it's gonna look like that, all old-fashioned and nice. And then I just have to put it on a chain, and then it is done. And I have all this great stuff left over to do the other one. And it's done, ta-da! It's on a chain. Look how cute it is. Look at Brody's little sepia-toned face in there. How exciting. All right, next thing you get to see it with the outfit. Let's go, we're out of time. All right, welcome to the end of the video. I did it, I finished the outfit, and I look like a real fucking person. Lashes on, lipstick, the whole business. And like, clearly, I'm in the cemetery. I'm actually at my very favoriteest mausoleum in the cemetery. So we're about to show you how this whole outfit came together. It has been many, many stressful days of fucking 15-hour sewing, but like, we got there, and I'm actually really pleased with how this turned out. It turned out exactly like my vision, except that I had to give up the thigh-high boots because they didn't look good under the dress. So I just wore a pair of my favorite boots with it. But like, other than that, I think everything pretty much worked out. You ready? Here it comes. video. I hope you enjoyed seeing this dress. I put a fuck of a lot of work into it in a very short amount of time, and it was fucking stressful. But a girl has to look her most fabulous on her birthday, as you know, so like, I did it. For the love of God, I fucking stayed. I had some wine, I drank, whatever, I sewed, and I made it happen. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed seeing it. It turned out pretty much what I had in my mind, and I'm very pleased. What am I gonna create for my birthday next year? I have no fucking idea. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, if you could please give it a thumbs up, that would be amazing. If you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be even more amazing. If you want to follow me on all the things, I have all of them. I have Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Depop, Ko-fi, TikTok, I don't even know all of them. Anyway, Madam_Absinthe, all of those if you want to follow me there. And yeah, I think that's it. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, enjoy this dress as sassy as it is, and I will see you guys all around for my next YouTube video. Oh, and in the comments, let me know, of all the birthday dresses I've created so far, let me know which one is your favorite. I'm super interested in this. Okay, bye. For real, real.